If you like what you see, why don't you think about subscribing? And make sure to check out my channel for videos just like this.
Shiver me timber. Let the wind catch your sails. Anchors away.
Boys, girls, and all the rest, greetings, it is I, the Admiral. Hashtag wonderful! Google me, I'm trending worldwide.
Ooh, Admiral.
Yes, ladies, yes, the master is here. I'm here at the helm.
That's the crow's nest.
Our mission is clear to bring you sailors, rogues, and gents from around the sphere. Under my command, of course. Man your ships, hide your posts, hoist the sails out. Hoist the sails forward. Hoist the sails starboard. Hoist the sails port. Move it then. Let's get cracking. Salty dogs, gondoliers, fishermen, and all the rest. Anchors away. Hear the beat of those drums. Hide your women or head to the upper decks. Those are the Vikings, conquerors of the deep blue seas. Just kidding, a master's work is never done. Neptuna, make a distraction if I have to run.
Ooh, my hero.
We'll fight till it's over, so we put us on the side. So the dragons can hold
Ahoy, Sinbad and his scimitar swinging sailors. Say that 3 times fast. Sinbad is adventure personified. Oh, hello, beautiful Scheherazade.
We are rebels, we sail 7 seas. Any fortune we shall find on the South Sea. Ooh, I'm ready, little kids now.
I must say I'm proud.
You paid for those followers.
Oh, don't be jelly, Neptuna. Hashtag wonderful. Who? Listen, here there be dragons.
No, that's a Chinese dragon boat. Traditionally, dragons are the rulers of the earth's rivers, lakes, and oceans. And the spirit is strength and vitality. And they're also all Game of Thrones.
Oh yes, what she said. These human-powered vessels are legends in a race. They model teamwork as a glorious pace. Plus, these guys and gals can really gut up a run. Oh, we're gonna get the chestnut praline lamb. Run, you curs, His Majesty's Royal Navy's coming. We'll send you, filth and muck, straight down to the ship's plumbing. Where's the girls from Scotland?
Going on down there on the Royal Promenade. I command
Wonderful hours.
Okay, everyone, come on, give it up for your entertainment family on board the Oasis of this, including your